I'm looking so orangish. Okay.
Take off the night shorts.
Hey Shan. That's what about smell my night shorts.
Yes. You wait till the video start too.
I'll cut you out. I'm going to cut it out. Good morning, peoples. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, guys, I'm Shakay. This is Sassy Shan.
She's white though.
Terrible. Anyways, so guys, don't forget, guys, to hit that subscribe button down below. I do vlogs, lifestyle videos, challenges, cooking video, fashion, makeup, just about anything I feel to do. So yes, guys, if you are interested in those kind of videos, subscribe down below. Yeah, let us get into this vlog. I don't know. Oh yes, for today I have that little girl's hair over there, so to do. I'm not a little girl like kind of me, I look less Anyways, guys, and oh, if you guys have not yet seen my previous video on my kitchen remodeling slash what you call it, organization, go check it out. It will be in the cards. So yeah, check it out, people. Check me out. Boom, bap, bada mean bam. Me need to come have a TikTok.
Make up your bed.
I'm coming. Guys, so guess what, it's anytime God tell me to do something, or anytime I feel like on the mind I tell me something, I gotta tell me something here. Anytime on the mind telling me to do something, I gotta tell me to do it. Because guys, last night I said, alright, I'm gonna edit my video, and my mind just said, yeah, go and edit the video, you're supposed to have enough content and all of that. So I went ahead and I did. I kind of even dropped asleep while I was editing and all of that. The thing is, I went to bed without uploading, because normally when I edit, I upload and schedule for the date and the time that I wanted to upload. So I went to my bed and said, you know what, tomorrow I'll do that. Early as I wake up this morning, about after 8, because I woke up late today. I woke up after 8, right? And I said to myself, go and upload the video, and I did. Yes, guys, so as I was saying, I'm glad that I got up at 8 this morning and upload the video, because now the video is uploaded. So when I upload it, once the time reaches, it goes public. So it doesn't necessarily need internet. It doesn't need internet to upload, to go live. So I'm glad I did that, because right now, like that. And it is currently 11:27, light gone, and I try to upload my videos by 12. So yeah. Hey guys, so I did my sister's hair. You can look up so the camera can see you, please. No. Anyways, it not that, it not all that, but guys, yes, it do. Don't cut me like that.
Why you saying all that?
As in, You're not as neat.
There's a air on your camera.
Here.
It's still blowing.
Oh, there it is. Okay, toodles. Mommy's doing chicken. Curry chicken at that people. Curry chicken. You sure you don't want to show on the vlog?
Nope.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna get that something I found. Wait, to take how long she not put it. I'm gonna put it. It's a detox tea. Mom, I'm gonna put this. Watch me struggle to open a stupid thing. There we go. Wow. Yes, I'm not sure I'll try to teach me water down. Yes. I'm not want to try to teach down. You know it up? Yeah, teach me water. I need that shit for that. Alright, so we have this is called the ISO tea. We can't pronounce these things. I'm not even if I see me properly, but yes, this is called the ISO tea, whichever. It comes with a green pack and the rest of them purple, like this. So mix one sachet with at least 16.9 ounce hot/cold water. Take it 30 minutes before eating. 2 sachets daily or as directed by your healthcare professional. Hi guys. What's up? Hi Shan.
Hi.
What's that?
Hi.
I don't think I said bye. Anyways guys, I just organized my fridge. Well, the people them fridge. Yeah. Hire me if you want me to, you know, organize your house. Thank you. Let me show you guys how it looks. So let's start in the freezer. So this is what I did. I put like, they call it bacon, franks, nuggets, and what I call it, waffles. I put all of the chicken stuff down bottom. So like if light for gone, you know, then for drain, then I'm gonna drain on top of stuff. This is our ice tray. Finally put them in. And we're trying to make ice. Oh, Shan, ice make.
Hey.
Them look like them make. Alright, so ice make. And we have some vegetable thingies down up there. Alright. Then down at the bottom, I kind of organized, you know, drinks, the 2 big jugs them over here, so. And then over here I have some milk stuff. Then I have like they call this Cheerios, cornflakes, because whenever it opens it cannot go in the cupboard because ants will take it. Now we have our saltfish pan. Yeah, I'm gonna have my here cream down here, so I have to make the fire oil down here. So yeah, then we don't have much in our fridge because we need to go shopping, so I'm clear out half our things. Then we have beans and cabbage. Then over here we have Lasco and we have, we call it something, tin milk. So we pour it out into this. And this came on a thing, you just, you know, pour it out. Now we have the cheese whiz and not cheese. You know, I should have put this over here, so the cheese station over here. So I'm just saying. I know. Anyways, down here so I have nutmeg, and I have like, you know, like tomato and onion one cut, pepper, and so these are the place where like if you cut something and you don't finish, you know, we should have fixed up the pepper them here so we're not good. But before the pepper, some of the touch pepper and salt. Alright, over here so now what you call this? You have the Horlicks ones. The things that we use where you know done, but you need to go in our fridge, yeah. And some raisin and mixed fruits and whatnot. And then down here we have all these little things. We have one with ketchup. So if you don't want ketchup, what you call that? KFC ketchup. We can sell KFC some back. And mustard, sugar. We have them something here. I don't know why we open so much one time, but anyways, lime juice. We take me. We call it something there. Apple cider vinegar with it. Yeah. And then down the bottom, mommy and her beans and whatnot. These are. I'm gonna really touch this because I don't know what she wants. I don't want that she not see. So I'm just leave all our things them down here. So yeah, that is what I did. Yeah. So yes guys, this is that. So for the past few days, basically as you can see, we've been doing a lot in this kitchen here. Just getting it in order, getting it to be what we want it to be. So yeah. So we buy that something I see. And for we buy it, it not taste. Shani taste and say it not taste good. So we here say it's supposed to drink with, like you put it in when you make smoothie or something like so. But we don't want it, so because if Shani said it not taste good, we not get it either. So we're gonna throw it out. Hi guys, so I'm not know if I see because it's on my phone because I screwed with it. I can't see nothing funny, but I don't want to use the camera because right now I'm heading out to Life as Dominique's. She's opening a business up at Castle Top there, so yeah, and I'm going to volunteer my service to do her photos. I'm a photographer, so I hope I'm really hoping the photos turn out well. Oh Peter, Jesus peace, Peter, come back, turn around. Anyways, so yeah, I'll go and get a taxi and go. I'll see you guys if I get to vlog because I'll be holding the camera otherwise. So I don't think I'm gonna have no time for vlog and all of that. But yeah, I'm going to do that. Hi guys, so I'm just coming on to end this video. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and your families, whomever, wherever. So yes guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.